How to change how your contacts are sorted on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sort contacts by first name or last name in just a few taps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Contacts. Now look for Sort Order and tap on that. Here you'll see two options. First Last sorts contacts by their first name. Last First sorts contacts by their last name. Simply select the option you prefer. The change will be applied automatically, and your Contacts app will update the contact list based on the selected sorting method. You can also go back to this menu anytime if you want to switch to a different sort order later. On my device, the setting may already be selected, but you can choose whichever option works best for you. And that's how to change the contact sort order on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and contact management guides.